In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run email campaign in Pipedrive. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Pipedrive account and you are on the main workspace screen. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click Campaigns. This area is where you create, manage, and track the performance of your marketing emails, so it is the right place to start when you want to send a campaign to a group of contacts. Once you are in Campaigns, you will create a new one. Click the button that says Plus Campaign, and then select Email Campaign. This tells Pipedrive you are building an email message that will be sent to a list of recipients rather than another type of campaign. Next, you will choose how your email looks. You can pick a template to get a ready-made layout that is already formatted, which is helpful if you want something quick and polished. If you prefer complete control over the structure and branding, click Design Your Own instead. Either option works well, so choose the approach that matches how much time you have and how custom you want the email to feel. As you build, keep readability in mind. Short paragraphs and clear spacing make your message easier to scan. After your email design is selected, it is time to choose who will receive it. Click Add Recipients. You will see options to select a filtered list. Choose the filtered list you want to use, and take a moment to confirm it matches the audience for this campaign. Using a filtered list helps you stay targeted, because it ensures the email goes only to the contacts that meet your chosen criteria. When you are ready to deliver the campaign, look to the top right of the screen. You will have two options: Send or Schedule. Click Send if the email is ready to go out immediately. Click Schedule if you want to pick a specific date and time, which is useful when you want to align with business hours or a planned launch. Before finalizing, do a quick review of the email layout and recipient selection to avoid surprises. That covers everything you need to know.